Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would be telling you about the testing job opportunities, that is work from home and the work from office job opportunities. And we will be seeing the various opportunities across the India as well as outside India. And before we go to that, let me tell you about a free live webinar that we are going to do in the upcoming weekend. That is on how to leverage agentic AI and how to use Playwright to get jobs in 2026. So we are going to have the free live session on this particular thing. And it is for everybody. Anybody can enroll, whether you are a manual tester, whether you know about Playwright, whether you don't know about Playwright, whether you know about Selenium, you know about Cypress. Please feel free to enroll for this particular session. This is a free live webinar, and we will be telling you about the job market, how the job market is moving ahead, what are the requirements from the job market, what are the things they are expecting from you people, how to get more calls, how to get more interviews scheduled. So all of these things we'll be covering here. So feel free to book a call, and the session is for 500 people. So first 500 people will be having the slots availability. Okay, and after the enrolling, you will get one community link. You can join that community link in which the bonus resources will be shared with you, right? So do enroll today, right? And be available on Saturday. And I know Saturday is a weekend, right? So it is easy to attend this kind of webinars. Okay, so now let's see about the job opportunities. Okay. So the very first job opportunity is with respect to LTI Mindtree company, which is hiring for automation testers. They are looking for somebody who has got experience of 4 to 8 years. Technical skill set is automation testing, Java, Selenium. Job location is Chennai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Mumbai, and they are looking for hybrid work model. So if you're interested, you can share your resume at this email address. Then EXL company is hiring for QA testers, and it's a remote job. Experience required is 2 to 8 years, and they are looking for the skill set and the expertise in SQL, advanced Excel testing, manual, functional UAT unit testing. So you can send your resume at this email address along with the subject line, that is of candidate name, QA, notice period, email, current location, then expected CTC. All of these things are required. Then there is one more requirement for manual tester, software tester for banking domain, and the location is Malaysia. And they are looking for somebody who has got strong experience in manual testing, banking domain project experience. See, these days, the banking domain, investment banking, retail banking, capital market, payment gateway, these kind of domains are in demand. So if you can add these domains in your resume, add this kind of projects in your resume, it would be beneficial for you. Okay, so what you can do is you can apply via WhatsApp, or this is an email address. Then there's a requirement for mainframe tester, and the work location is Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and Indore. The skill set required is mainframe testing. Experience range is 4 to 8 years. So they are looking for somebody who has got hands-on experience in mainframe testing, good experience in COBOL, JCL, and DB2, and experienced on HP Quality Center or ALM. So these are the details that is required. Then the company Visa is hiring for software test engineer, SDET 2 to 4 years. Location is Bangalore, and the job requirements is engineer with strong automation mindset. Someone excited about AI plus testing, 2 to 4 years of experience is required here. Strong hands-on experience in software testing, QA automation is also required. So here is a link wherein you can apply. Okay, and they are looking for somebody who has got strong hands-on experience in Playwright. JavaScript, TypeScript is preferred. So these days, Playwright is a modern automation tool, okay, which is emerging, and it is easy to integrate Playwright with AI. So people have started leveraging Playwright for those things, right? And here is a link to apply. Then there's a requirement for QA manual testing role. Location is Bangalore. Experience requires 3+ years. Shift timings is 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Work mode would be work from office. Roles and responsibilities are given somebody who can execute test cases across mobile, Android, iOS, and desktop applications. perform functional and front-end testing application activities. Okay. And these are the required qualifications, 3+ years of experience in manual as well as in mobile testing. They are looking for immediate joiners and somebody who has worked in agile testing. Okay, agile, shift left testing. These things are very important. Okay. Then there's a requirement for position of AI tester. Location is multiple locations, duration is 6 to 12 months. And here is the email address. And it's the payment would be on hourly basis. So you can apply for this job. They are looking for somebody who has got experience on AI testing, who can perform AI testing and can maintain a golden data set for regression testing as well. Hmm. That's very important. Okay. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer and mobile tester. And the opportunities are for senior QA automation engineer, senior mobile testers. So you can share your resume at this email address itself. Okay. Then there's a requirement for software test engineer, and the company name is Melvo Infotech. So location is Noida, and they are looking for somebody who has got experience of minimum 2 years. Salary is up to 10 LPA, and it's a full-time job. You should be able to create the test cases, do the bug reporting, understanding of SDLC. SDLC is required. Good analytical and problem-solving skills is required. Automation testing knowledge would be a plus point. So you can send your resume to this email address. Okay. So these are the job opportunities for the testers. We covered work from home jobs, we covered work from office jobs, we covered few of the job opportunities related to automation testing, related to functional testing. And if you will see from automation testing, these days they are looking for the Playwright jobs, Playwright skill set more. So that's the reason we have kept a free live webinar on the upcoming Saturday and the upcoming weekend, in which we are going to cover how candidates, how folks like you are using Playwright and AI and they are getting jobs up to 300% hike, 60% hike, 100% hike. So many people are getting jobs these days. So do enroll for this webinar and make sure that you are available on Saturday. Just give me 1 hour. It would be really helpful for you. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.